friends, today in Writing Workshop, you are going to be thinking about something that you are passionate about or passionate doing. So another way to think about passionate is maybe something that you really enjoy or you feel strongly about. And once you think about that, you are going to brainstorm some reasons why you're passionate about that specific thing. And this work will be done in your writing journal after your paragraphs about ice cream or your favorite dessert. So for example, I feel really passionate about cooking. And so I spent some time thinking about why I enjoy cooking so much, and I listed out my ideas in a bullet point form. So for example, I really enjoy the whole process of cooking. It's something that I can do for my family. I can choose healthy foods to cook so that my family can eat nutritiously. I can experiment with different flavors and ingredients. I can share recipes with others. I can try out recipes from other people. And finally, I like seeing all of the individual ingredients turn into a meal. So you can see I really spent some time thinking about a couple of reasons why I'm so passionate about cooking. And you can choose to do it in bullet point form, or you could choose to put your ideas into a more visual way with a bubble map. So in your writing journal, you could choose to have your main idea of what you're passionate about in the middle, and just have some ideas branching out from it. Either way is fine. The most important thing is that you choose something that you enjoy or that you're passionate about, and make sure to push yourself to think of more than just 2 or 3 reasons as to why you feel passionate about whatever you chose. Good luck, friends.